clutch actuator for 5-speed transmission. Yeah. How to understand that it's okay or not okay? If the bearing okay, bushings okay, but clutch actuator not okay. It's very easy. Look at this. Inside, you spinning it and shaft going inside easy. Why? Because it has spring and it push it inside. It go easy. And when you spinning the outside, shaft outside, it go hard. Hard but smooth. Yeah, you see? And you feel how the gears inside working. By screwdriver you feeling it. You see, it's not stuck in some place. No. Up. Outside. Once again. Inside. Easy. Outside. Hard. Not hard like this. Check how I'm spinning it. You see? Hard but smooth. Up, 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 up. Up. Ready.